Welcome to Tech Plus. Today, we're diving into the exhilarating realm of space exploration, the next frontier in human ambition. Join us as we explore the groundbreaking advancements and exciting prospects in our quest to conquer the cosmos. Space exploration has come a long way since the first human ventured beyond our atmosphere. We'll dive into a brief history of space exploration, from the early days of Sputnik to the moon landing and the era of space shuttles, and how these milestones have paved the way for the current advancements in space technology. Let's explore the cutting-edge technologies driving space exploration today. From reusable rockets and breakthrough propulsion systems to advancements in satellite technology and space telescopes, we'll unravel the innovations reshaping our approach to space travel. One of the most compelling frontiers is Mars. Join us as we uncover the latest missions, including NASA's Artemis and SpaceX's Starship, designed to take us closer to the red planet. We'll discuss the challenges, objectives, and the potential for human habitation on Mars. The desire to explore beyond our solar system has sparked discussions on interstellar travel. We'll explore the theoretical concepts and current research in this area, discussing ideas such as warp drives and other propulsion systems that could potentially take us to distant stars and exoplanets. Space exploration is an ongoing journey with limitless possibilities. Whether it's uncovering the mysteries of our own solar system or venturing into the cosmos, the future of space exploration is an ever-evolving saga that promises to redefine our understanding of the universe. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this exploration of the next frontier in space, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more exciting content. Until next time, this is Tech Plus signing off.